Welcome back, everyone. So today we're going to make garlic buffalo wings. Let's get started. First, we're going to have about 20 wings here. Cut it right at the bone. We're going to another angle right here. See, cut between both bones and cuts real easy. And I cut some of the excess fat off as well, as you can see right here. Next, you need a 1 cup of flour, 2 teaspoons of salt, 2 teaspoons of smoked paprika, and mix it all together. Next, you're going to evenly coat each wing, just like so. Or you could toss in 2 at a time. Just make sure it's evenly coated with this mix. Next, we're going to add about 3 cups, or actually about a cup of that's canola oil on high heat. And we're going to cook the wings for about 9 to 12 minutes. So keep an eye on the wings. Keep rotating the wings. Once it's crispy and golden brown and you don't see any blood, the wings are done. 9 to 12 minutes. But I think about 12 minutes, they look just like this. They look perfect, nice and crispy. We're gonna put on this coriander here so the wings don't get soggy. Don't put it on paper towels. Just like so. Next, we're gonna make the garlic buffalo sauce. We added a quarter or to half stick of butter. Add in some hot sauce or Frank's red sauce. Now that's about a half a cup of Frank's red sauce. Add about 6 teaspoons of garlic powder, 2 teaspoons of brown sugar, and 2 teaspoons of vinegar. And before the vinegar, I did a teaspoon of salt, just in case. Mix it all up, and I'm gonna cook this for this takes about 1 minute to 2 minutes, that's it. Add in the wings, we're gonna stir the wings for about 1 minute until all that sauce is soaked up into the wings, and that's it. This smells amazing. You can smell the garlic, you can smell the spice. Add it on the plate just like so. And it's great for anything. For a fight night, a movie night, you have your garlic buffalo wings. And we're missing one more thing. Just dice up some carrots, dice up some celery, some garnish on the side, and dip this in some blue cheese or ranch. And there you have it. Like and subscribe, and have a great night.